Hey guys, and welcome to this week's live trading. So today I'm actually looking to short the dollar CAD. Now, it's safe to say that we've broken some key levels of support over here, which suggests that we could potentially see the market running all the way down to potentially test these lows over here. So what I'm thinking is actually going to put a pending order in, and by doing so, I'll be able to just kind of see the market past this particular line over here. So if I zoom in, you guys can get a better idea. So what I'm looking for is for price to actually break this low over here, trigger me in, and then start its run the downside. Now, I need to disclose the fact that I tried to short the CAD earlier, but obviously that didn't work out because I saw that massive run to the upside. And then when I came back to the charts, I saw that we had a massive uh, reversal in this one particular candle over here with a massive wick. And that basically uh, acted as a supporting factor to suggest that we could see price actually wanting to roll over. Now, bear in mind that I'm mindful that the price may just want to kind of make its way all the way back up. But we did go ahead and test the pivot already. And this is the reason I'm looking at using a pending order, because if price is willing to break this low over here, then that means that the negative momentum we're seeing coming into the charts is definitely a very strong catalyst to push price further down to perhaps test these lows all the way at the bottom over here. So that's the thought process behind it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and get the pending order set in, and I will come back as soon as we have that done. Okay, guys, just back. So I managed to get that pending order in place, so you guys can see over here. Um, go USDCAD. That's the price we're looking to see the market pass, and then that's our stop loss. It's about a 20 pip stop, and then our take profit is way about a 25 pip stop. So just over a 1:1. And we're gonna have to wait and see how this trade plays out. For now, what I will do is I'll just park it there. I have a couple of meetings that I have today, so I'll come back as soon as I'm done with those meetings, and hopefully we've been triggered in and also taken out on a positive. For now, let me go ahead and press pause, and I'll come back as soon as I have something more to report. Okay, guys, just back, and as you will remember, we took a pending order yesterday on the dollar CAD. Now, at the time of taking that pending order, it was around at this point over here, and we did in fact get price to pass our take profit level. So it was more or less a 1:1, with risking 20 pips by targeting 25 pips. And the reason behind the take profit was that we were looking at these lows over here, and actually wanting to see the market break beyond this low. Now, it's fair to say that this trade in and of itself was was a relatively good trade, considering how far down price actually ran, and also the fact that we just got 25 pips out of a market that was so aggressively moving to the downside after breaking this key level of support over here. But the plan was to take out the position over here. And obviously, whatever would have happened, we would have waited for a pullback and then kind of scale back into the position itself. That, of course, didn't happen, but be that as it may, I still want to bring the account up for you guys. I'll take a quick screenshot of the position that we've taken, and just to show you guys um, result of the trade. So we didn't manage to get a lot out of the market, but it was enough for 25 pips. So we got in over there. That was about 6:15 last night, and we got taken out on our take profit for a total of $93 39 sorry 36 cents. So that wasn't the best return that we have had. Obviously, if we had kept it in, it would have been a sufficiently larger amount, but be that as it may, it was all part and parcel of our plan. So we stuck to our plan, and obviously we were well rewarded for it in that regard. So, guys, I hope that this kind of gives you an idea of how yesterday looked. I am sorry that we had to send this particular video out this time today, but I thought it best to kind of just get everything wrapped up, and then obviously show you guys the video. Okay, so there is another part of this video that I wanted to share with you guys, and that is our Wealth Tip website. Now, we've just recently launched our website full on, and I just thought of maybe just sharing it with you guys and going through it with you guys. So it's www.wealthtip.co.za. The best way to get to the website is just to click the link below in the description box. Alternatively, just going to Google, type in wealthtip.co.za, and you'll be able to log into our website. So it's a very, very basic website. It talks about who we are, what we're about. It also talks about the service that we render, and then there's a few testimonials as well. And then obviously we have the chat section over here. So if you're interested in, knowing more about inquiring, what you can do is you can just put your name and email address with your question, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Um, and that is basically just an opportunity for us to connect with you. So, with that, also, I wanted to share our blog with you guys. So, every Friday, we will be posting a blog on our website that is obviously all related to trading. So, this week's blog, or last week's blog, was the truth about trading for a living, and it was quite a popular one. We got some awesome feedback with regards to this blog. Um, and we already have our blog of this week ready to be posted this Friday. So it's going to be really excited to see the feedback that we get from that one, because I do think it's quite an interesting one as well. And then obviously we have our contact section over here. This is where you can make contact with me. And then we're going over to the Gen series. Now, I know I've been sharing Gen series with you guys for some time now. And I just wanted to show you guys what Gen series is about. Now, your view of it will be a lot different. The reason I go straight into this section of the page is because I'm obviously the administrator, so it takes me directly through to my sales page. But you guys will be able to see the Gen Series homepage, and you will be able to do some reading about what Gen Series is about, who I am, and obviously you will be able to get all that information on our Gen Series homepage. But once you go into join us, then you will be taken to our Gen Series sales page, and this is our sales page where it tells you all about Gen Series, what Gen Series is about, and the Gen Series program is a membership program that is $15 per month. Now, it's very important to say that this is a membership that you can cancel at any point in time. So, for example, when you do decide to enroll in the program, it will be $15 per month, and you'll get access to all of our content. And we upload new content every week. So, let me just take you through the curriculum. So far, we have 7 episodes uploaded, and we're going to be uploading new content as per when you join. So there are a few preview complimentary episodes that you can have a look at, and if you click on those episodes, it will take you directly into that respective episode, and you will then be able to watch it. So it's very standard. We have a comment section below over here where you can leave your feedback, where you can ask all types of questions, and obviously I will be able to respond to whatever feedback you leave us, or whatever questions you may have as it relates to the episode itself. So this is complimentary episodes that you can check out, and that is obviously also as per the Gen series. So that is just to give you an idea of how the layout is going to be, but essentially that is where we're working from. So like I said, that is our curriculum, and I just want to show you guys the frequently asked questions. So this is a few questions that we get asked a lot, and I just thought it best to kind of answer it on our sales page as well. And then this is just a summary of what we are talking about when you enroll in the Gen series. So this is obviously weekly uploads. You'll get access to our exclusive weekly uploads, technical support in terms of being able to apply the principles that we teach in your trading strategy or your trading system. And then you'll have access to the Wealth Tip community, where we have discussions about various components about the trading world. And then obviously step-by-step instructions for any experience level. And this is basically an opportunity to be part of the Wealth Tip community. The cost of it is obviously just $15 a month, and you are able to enroll, and you're able to close off your enrollment at any point in time. and you'll be able to re-enroll yourself if you want to at a later stage, but obviously the decision is all up to you. And so that is what we are in the process of working on and kind of refining, and that is also the reason why we've been so quiet last week, because I've been working tirelessly to get this all together, and obviously package it in such a way where I can obviously render it to a point where it's not only professional looking but also very user friendly as well. So guys, this is what we have been working on. This is where all of the time and the effort, um, and the blood, sweat, and tears has been going into, just to present you guys with um, this very, very awesome program that we put together for our students. So if you guys are interested, check out our Gen series. If you have any questions, please feel free to pop me a message. I'll be more than happy to make contact with you and answer whatever questions you may have. But for the most part, guys, if you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing. And if you know of anyone that would find value in what we discuss here today, consider sharing the video. And for the most part, I hope that you guys have a brilliant week ahead. I hope that you have an awesome trading week ahead as well. And essentially just have a brilliant day moving forward. For the most part, I look forward to chatting to you guys soon. Up until then, cheers and bye for now.